Welcome students. Today in this topic we will see the reproduction in Protozoa Paramecium. Here the Paramecium reproduces asexually by transverse binary fission and also undergoes several kinds of nuclear reorganizations such as conjugation, endomixis, autogamy, etc. First, during favorable conditions, these paramecium commonly reproduce by transverse binary fission. It is also known as horizontal binary fission, which is at a right angle to the longitudinal axis of the body. When paramecium stops feeding and its oral groove and its buccal structures they begin to disappear. While this is happening, the micronucleus present in cytoplasm it starts dividing, and this process is very complicated. It is mitosis type of division. The nuclear membrane remain intact in that process. The micronucleus it first increases in size, then the chromosomes numbering from their number may be 36 to 300, 150. Okay, and begin to reappear. Okay, begin to appear. Each chromosome it splits longitudinally to form two chromatids, and this phase is called as prophase phase. Then paired chromatids now get arranged on the nuclear spindle at its equatorial plane. This process is called as metaphase. Then this metaphase is followed by next phase, anaphase, in that the separation apart of chromatids and elongation of micronucleus occurs. And in the last telophase, micronucleus becomes very much elongated and its two ends become organized into two daughter micronuclei. The daughter micronuclei then separate. Here in this process, simultaneously the macronucleus divide amitotically by simply becoming elongated and constricted in the middle from middle. The two oral grooves now begin to form, one in the anterior half and the other in the posterior half. These two original contractile vacuoles remains, one in each half of the dividing parental individual. These two new contractile vacuoles are later formed. The two new buccal structures also appear. In the meantime, a constriction occurs near middle of the body. It depends, it deepens, and ultimately the cytoplasm also get completely divided and it results into two daughter paramecium. Okay, in that the anterior one formed is called proteer and the posterior is called as opisthe. Okay, one is proteer and one is opisthe. These two daughter paramecia are formed. Then these grow to full size and this cycle continues. They again divide by this process of fission. Okay. In Paramecium caudatum, it divides 2 to 3 times in a day by the process of this binary fission, and this process continues. Okay, this is the first binary fission. Okay.